Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a quick tutorial for you. I will show how you can easily change your YouTube about section right from your mobile device. It's a simple process, so let's get started. So guys, first of all, you'll have to open YouTube application. Now once you're on this page, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner and then tap on view channel to open your channel. Now once you're on this page, just next to manage videos you'll find an option of analytics, and next to analytics you'll find an option of pencil, and it is basically the edit option. Tap on it and here you will find a description option. You can tap on it and you can customize it according to your choice and then tap on save. And if you want to see that what you have changed in your description, you can tap on your description. You will be taken to about page and you can see that my about section is being updated. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.